Stop right there. Astonished face. What if I tell you this bike gives amazing mileage, ultra-smooth ride, and Honda reliability, all in a budget-friendly package? Today, let's talk about the Honda Shine 100DX. Movie camera intro plus subscribe call. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SG Riders Rocket. If you love honest bike reviews, daily use motorcycles, and real information, back-end index pointing right, subscribe to SG Riders now. Press the bell icon so you never miss our latest bike videos. Motorcycle Honda Shine 100DX overview. Friends, Honda Shine 100DX is specially made for riders who want heavy checkmark, maximum mileage, heavy checkmark, smooth and reliable engine, heavy checkmark, low maintenance, heavy checkmark, affordable daily transport. This bike is perfect for office use, students, delivery riders, and daily commuters. Gear, engine, and performance. Honda Shine 100DX comes with a wrench 100 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, air-cooled engine. This engine offers very smooth performance, low noise and vibration, easy handling in traffic, reliable pickup for city riding. It's not about speed. It's about peace of mind and fuel savings. Fuel pump mileage, the biggest highlight. Now let's talk about the real reason people love this bike, guys. Backhand index pointing right mileage. Honda Shine 100DX can deliver around fuel pump 65 to 70 kilometers per liter, depending on road and riding conditions. That means heavy check mark, less fuel cost. Heavy check mark, perfect for daily long rides. Heavy check mark, best choice in the 100 cubic centimeter segment. This bike is truly a mileage champion trophy. Hammer and wrench design and comfort. The design is simple, clean, and practical sparkles. Comfortable long seat. Upright riding position. Lightweight body for easy control. For daily riders, comfort matters. And Shine 100DX keeps things easy and stress-free. Stop sign, brakes, and safety. Honda Shine 100DX offers reliable front braking, stable rear braking, good balance for city roads. It's built for safe and confident daily riding. Money bag, who should buy Honda Shine 100DX? This bike is perfect if you heavy check mark, ride daily. Heavy check mark, want maximum mileage. Heavy check mark, need low maintenance. Heavy check mark, prefer Honda reliability. Heavy check mark, want a budget-friendly bike. This is not a stylish show bike. This is a smart daily use. SG Riders Honest Opinion. From SG Riders Honest Opinion. If you want a bike that back-end index pointing right starts every morning. Back-end index pointing right saves fuel. Back-end index pointing right runs smoothly for years. Then Honda Shine Pro DX is definitely worth considering. White heavy checkmark. Red heart emotional ending plus subscribe call. If you watch this video till the end, it means you truly care about choosing the right bike. Red heart. Please support us by backhand index pointing right, subscribing to SG Riders. Thumbs up, liking this video. Speech balloon, comment below. Would you choose Honda Shine Pro DX, or are you already riding one? See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and ride smart. Motorcycle Fire.